Hello everyone, my name is Ruben, and this is the first ever Go Onger review. This is the video review on Engine O from Engine Sentai Go Onger, also known as the High Octane Megazord from Power Rangers RPM. Now, for some reason, I never bought the original Japanese or the original American. I never had one. So the instructions call him Speedle, so that's what I'll call him out for the review. This is Speedle. Let's see if I can get my camera down. He is rolling. Okay. Sorry, I can't show it properly. But that's a little hard. So Speedle, really good. I like all the chrome. The engine does block the cockpit. So. Next up is Bear RV. I really like Bear RV. Bear RV, from what I know of, it's a girl. You can actually recreate that famous scene where where she bites on one of the grinder planes. So that's pretty cool. This is for the engine cell, but we'll get to that later. And last but not least, Bazaar, or whatever he's called in Japan. He is really cool. Now the way you would activate the sounds is by pushing down these tires. These ones don't do that because they're the front and they have to fold. Can't move his head down, but that's transformation, and we're already got into that segment yet. So, really good. There is chrome right where my fingers are at shiny red. And now the accessories. And now the accessories. Here's the engine cell. Hear that? No sounds because mine needs new batteries. And now one of the best things about this, the Super Saber. You open it like a dice, and then you bring the handle out like a dice, and then you just flip out the blade. And there you go. You got yourself a Super Saber. To store these, I personally put my Super Saber in this side. It'll be a little bit red. Now for the engine cell, since it's only reds, you gotta put it in red. So what I did was I pulled, unclipped, and now there's this little tab that you gotta push. That will unlatch the little latch or cover. Put in. And there we go. And now it's time for transformation. So for blue, gonna fold in the tires. Gonna cover the feet. Split the legs. Fold down the head. You're done. Bear RV. Flip the tires. And there you go. I should mention this before I forget. If you want to release Bear RV, where my finger is, oops, there's a little latch that you can use to release her. See? If you don't hold it down, you can't release her. And now for Speedle, pull, unclip, push, bring the arms out, and then this just man, Speedo, you did not want to go. There we go. And right where my finger is, there is a little black tab to release him. Fold these canisters up. They will plug into these two holes right where my fingers are. And now the last thing I want to get up close is a detail. Fold up that, and there you go. You got yourself one awesome looking engine up. Now for articulation, arms can move around, and they bend in, and this one has finger articulation. So that's my thoughts on Engine O from Engine Sentai Go Onger. So this has been the video review for that. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I review Power Rangers and Super Sentai. And soon, very soon, my friends, very soon, my friends, Mini Force. So stick around and enjoy. Next up is Burka, the green one. Bye.